What's going on, guys? Mr. John Lee here, back with some more evidence back from the COVID pandemic retaliation concerns, essential worker concerns about unsafe work environment. I just wanted to make this video to show some follow-up on some of my personal information about this particular retaliation. Um, I had correspondence with the president of Comcast, Xfinity, and I wasn't getting anywhere. Nobody was calling me back. Nobody was doing anything about anything. So I decided to send an email to a local news station, KCTV5, and this is an email I sent to them, and I did not get even a response at all from the news network, but it does further corroborate my story, showing that at that time, this was July 22nd, 2020, so I felt so violated that, 1 or 2 days without hearing back from these people, I felt, really wasn't accountability. I could tell they were blowing me off. I could tell that they were downplaying it and just trying to cover up. And so even the news networks kind of did the same thing. But here's the email I sent on July 22nd, 2020 to KC News Desk at kctv5.com at 7:42 a.m. when I should have been at work. It says, "Good morning. We watch your channel every day and have for years. We love you. I have been following all the COVID-19 updates and wanted to tell you about my story as an essential worker for Comcast. I'm currently on unpaid leave of absence due to the recent spikes and surges of coronavirus cases in Missouri. We had a baby girl, Anna Marie, in February, and when I came back to work from FMLA, I re-entered the workforce with a completely different perspective and new reality and way of doing business. I asked my leadership if the masks we're using going into several customers' homes per day and each week were rated for the COVID-19 virus, and if myself, my coworkers, our customers, and our families were safe from this highly contagious disease. I was told the masks are not rated to protect me or my family at home, but only protect the customer from the technician spreading the virus to them. We were taking our temperatures daily and being required to share our temperatures in a group meeting with our health information being shared in a group setting via Microsoft Teams video meeting chat. After I brought to their attention this may not be legal, they stopped doing that the next day. Safety, in my opinion, should always come first. As a parent of a newborn and her mommy having previous kidney health issues, my concern of catching the virus and bringing it home to them was a dark looming cloud that followed me from job to job. I have confronted my employer many times about liability concerns as well as safety concerns, and I was sent home July 7th, 2020 with no explanation for voicing those concerns. I felt very retaliated against and violated by a company who claimed to, quote unquote, have my back when using my own discretion going into customers' homes. I have filed a retaliation discrimination claim with the EEOC and I am currently trying to find a compromised alternative solution. I am worried I may lose my job and not have a way to support my family. As an essential worker, no one ever asked me if I would be willing to risk my life or my family's lives, who have been thankfully safe at home most of the last 5 months. As communication technicians, we didn't sign up for this. This is very concerning to me and my family and my coworkers. My employer cannot guarantee a safe work environment and will not accept liability if I contract the virus from that unsafe work environment. We don't know who has the virus. My leadership has downplayed the severity of this pandemic, which literally made me nauseous. Our customers aren't respecting our COVID-19 social distancing protocols, and a lot of our employees aren't wearing their masks properly, and I am concerned enough about this that I am currently unwilling to return to work. What should I do? So this is really a real plea for, some transparency and some accountability. And if this fucking country doesn't get their shit together, this is the kind of shit that really just causes the whole system to crumble from the inside out. And this was, in my opinion, a great example of how, this weaponized system and control and really just caused havoc, just wreaked havoc everywhere. And even though I sent a very detailed and explicit letter to the news station, they didn't report on it at all. Nobody reported on it. Everybody was just outcasted, and you can see that, I hope that with this new administration that somebody does something about things like these and that there is some justice and that they extend the statute of limitations or something, because without justice, injustice for one, is an injustice for all of us. So, we really got to pull together if we're going to get through this together. I'm Mr. John Lee. Hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like these. Hopefully, it goes somewhere. I'm on to the next one.